And I do like this other wonderful thing also that you asked. Actually, I'll rephrase it into. He says, spirituality. How is spirituality related with innovation and creativity? So the question is, what does innovation mean? Also, I would be interested to know. It seems like it's all there. So, can we innovate? Can we be creative?
In Gayatri Mantra, there are 24 letters. Tat Saviturvarenyam, 8 letters. Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi, 8 letters. Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat, 8 letters. The creative aspect of the mind is developed by the last 8 letters. Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. And the innovative aspect, when the difference between creative and innovative is, generally in science, what I understand, if you correct it, it's okay. Creativity is what we expect. Innovation is while you are doing this creative activity, something happens. It becomes innovative. Suddenly you invent. But invention is also a part of the mind, but we are not prepared for it. It suddenly happens. And both these are given by the 88 letters of Gayatri Mantra. And the real Gayatri Mantra, Tat Saviturvarenyam, it comes from the sun, the Savita. So the innovative and creative aspects are also developed by this meditation on sun. But you should know how to utilize these 8 letters. And there is a figure he has given in Gayatri Mahavigyan, the Akshara where these letters activate which part of the body. And many people say, my friends used to ask me, how do you say that words influence your body? I say, Om, you see. You can feel it. And this is Sahasrara, this is Anahata, and this is Manipuraka. So Om, as I told you in the beginning, Sthola, Sushma, Karana. So Om relates all these things. So the best way to develop creativity and innovative power is say Om. But Param Puja Gurudev says, Om, this becomes active. But how do they act? It expands as Bhur Bhuva Swaha. And this expansion on the thought force plane, Tat Saviturvarenyam. On the emotional plane, Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi. And on the physical plane, Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. And he gives the signs, Acharanyas.
I think we have probably covered things we have said here. Again, he asked about current challenges of modern. Maybe we will ask that as well. Kind of you answered that already, but looking at the current challenges of modern society, what do you think the future is? Short term, medium term, long term? I know you said it's all positive.
It is an infinite time.
Infinite time.
We have to understand that everything is infinity. Your role is, of course, part. It doesn't matter. But if you know your part, you already become a part of the infinity.
So it seems like that's the most important thing, is to know where you are.
Correct. That's very perfectly right.
So any special message to our readers that you would like to convey? I did hear that.
No, it's okay. What I want to convey people is, number one, what we are now missing is, we know a lot about health, but we don't do anything for health. So first we should concentrate and be active in improving our health. Many people know asanas help, walking helps, some gymnastics, they help. They know, but nobody does it. So first is concentrate on health. Because whatever strenuous work you want to do, health must be 100% all right. So concentrate on health. The second point, what I wanted people know is to which family you belong. When I say family, I am not talking about the physical family. I am talking about the knowledge family. Whether you belong to the organic family or the inorganic family, or you belong to the nuclear family, or you belong to the Sai Parivar, or you belong to the Gayatri Parivar, in the same thing. So you should know to which family you belong. And third point, your role in the family. What you are going to learn and what you want to give. this first you take until MSc we go on taking, but after post graduation you start research, and then maybe we are giving so many things. Similarly in science also, Param Puja Gurudev gives the 24 levels of consciousness, the 24 letters, and very clearly he mentions it in this book. What he says, third and fourth, Yugecha Pratibha Parishkar. There he gives these 24 levels of consciousness of human talent. Yugecha Pratibha means talent. And Prakhar Pratibha, he says a very nice example. He says there are so many solar rays, hundreds, and we don't know, infinite solar rays coming from sun. It has heat and light wherever it falls. But you put a small magnifying lens there. We are not worried about the thousands of rays. Only when you say the proportion, very minimum rays are concentrated. But suddenly what happens? The fire comes. And what does the fire do? It can do two things. A small fire can burn a village, or it can create a furnace and a factory. So you should know your role in the family to become a fire, Agni, and that process of how to do it and modify it is Yajna. Many people don't know that it modifies thinking process and talent process. So these levels he gives in those two. That's why I say I love these 20 books. I say you should forget all books. I have read so many psychologists and I have read so many things. Of course, it is not so material. But I am sure that whether you want to become a good economist, a good physicist, a good numerologist, astrologer, a good numerologist, all these 20 books will guide you. Sure of it. The only thing is you have to, he gives the principles, you have to apply it. And he has given that methodology also, he has given it.
You just have to take the time.
And if the Parivar unites, this book Parivar, this book Parivar, it is a wonderful thing which we could have achieved. And your Lokvani must do that.
God's grace, your blessings, sir. That will be awesome. Oh my God, this is so wonderful. At least I really am honored and touched that you took so much time to talk to me, sir. Really, this was tremendous. Is there anything else you would like to add and ask? Or?
This video is produced by www.awgpsouth.org. For more video, audio and literature, visit us at www.awgpsouth.org, www.th8revolution.com, www.egurukul.net.